I drop my blood sugar from as a diabetic person from 7 years ago till now. I do these workouts for every day to keep myself strong and keep myself happy. Let's do it. For warm-up, I'm choosing running for 15 minutes. Let's go. So, we've done with running. So, take a rest for 20 seconds and we keep going for another training. Oh, don't forget to hydrate yourself, buddy. Before we start, I wanna check my blood sugar and let's see the difference before training and after training. Okay, I'll show you. 153. That's high because I didn't use insulin because I wanna decrease my blood sugar with workout. As you see, my blood sugar was high because I didn't use insulin. I wanna decrease it with these workouts. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. We do side to side run for 45 seconds for the start and beginning. Let's go. Don't forget to smile. Down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Take a break for 50 seconds. Okay? Okay, are you ready for the next one? Let's go. We're gonna do takeoffs. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Again. Okay, nice. Take a break for 20 seconds. The next move is a step back to knee. Let's go. Nice. Take a break for 50 seconds and we're gonna change the leg. Are you ready? Oh, it's not here. 3, 2, 1, let's go. What am I doing, man? Good. Okay, nice. Take a break, as you know, 50 seconds. Okay, are you ready for jumping jacks? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Don't forget this one. Woo! Nice. Take a break for 50 seconds. Okay, our next workout is single arms and step out jacks. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, take a break for 20 seconds. Yeah, 20 seconds. Our final workout is a standing knee to toe taps. Okay, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Nice. Hope that was grateful for your diabetics person, and they're all around the board. Okay, never give up and don't let down. We got this. We're gonna beat diabetes, right? Let's go. As you know, this is my blood sugar after workout. Let me see you. Can you see it? 83, right? We got this, buddy. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more videos for diabetics and all athletic all around the world. See ya.